Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve a very interesting problem, that is 5 raised to power a minus 100 equals 0. You have to find the value of a. So we will start solving this question as first of all we will write 5 raised to power a and minus goes to this side and it will become positive 100. Now then we will make the factors of 100 by taking its LCM. So 100 is divided by 2, we get 50. When this is divided by 2, we will get 25. When this is divided by 5, we will get 5 and 5. So 100 can be write as 2 squared times 5 squared, and this is the 5 raised to power a. You have to find the value of a. For this purpose we will take the log on both sides. So take log on both sides. So we get log of 5 raised to power a equals log of 2 power 2 times 5 power 2. Now we will apply the important rule of log here. According to that, log of a raised to power b can be write as b, power is in the start, so b log of a, and here we will apply the rule of log of a times b equals log of a. So power is in the start, a log of 5 equals log of 2 squared plus log of 5 squared. Now power is in the start and we have a log 5 equals 2 is in the start, 2 log 2 plus 2 log of 5. Now log 5 is multiplied, it will divide, so a equals 2 log 2 divided by log of 5 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 5. Log 5 and 5 are cancelled out, so a equal to, here we will apply the change base rule. According to that we get 2 log, base will be 5 and 2 plus 2. So this is our answer, that we get the value of this. So what will be the next step? We will do the verification, is our answer is correct or not. Now do the verification. So 5 raised to power a means we have a equals 2 log, base is 5, 2 and plus 2 minus 100, this is the left hand side, so this will become 5 log, base is 5 and 2 and its squared, this is become its square, into 5 square minus 100. Here we will apply important rule of log. According to that, a log a power log base a, base is same, and b, so this will equals b. So here you can see this is a and this is b, so we get 2 square into 5 square, 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25, 100 minus 100 will be 0, that is the right hand side. So you can see how we have done this question. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing, stay tuned.